We are 7th graders from Parkday School, and we're trying to find a way to stop ocean pollution. Ocean pollution is a dangerous problem affecting almost all life on Earth. But does everyone know how it affects us?
The problem isn't just the pollution, it's that some people are ignorant. They don't know or they don't care enough about the problem to do anything. We're all part of the issue. We'd like to think of the problem as a veil. It shows half the truth, sugarcoating the other half of the world.
You see the silhouettes of happy animals, the crashing of the waves, the sand crunching on your feet, but you also see some trash in the distance. As the veil slides away, the truth is shown. Garbage washing up onto the beach, people unknowingly dumping pollutants into the sea. The veil represents the ignorance and lack of knowledge of our problem, and ocean organizations are trying to tear it away, scene by scene, before it's too late. And the truth is, we're all part of the solution.
So what does ocean pollution have to do with you and everyone else? Quite a bit, actually. In a report done by EPSO's Public Affairs Survey, it revealed that half the people they interviewed recycle daily. Similarly, the Huffington Post thinks that people don't recycle simply because it's too inconvenient. In an interview done with Sherry Lippiat, a marine debris specialist who has a PhD in ocean sciences, she said this. This concept of waste that you generate, you throw it away, and there's a lot of opportunity for trash to make its way into the environment, into the aquatic environment, and into our ocean. Even if you are disposing of your waste responsibly, there are always opportunities for it to pollute. I think that some people do know about pollution, but think they can't do anything about it. There are so many solutions being worked on, it's hard to make a difference.